Welcome to Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Annoyed by the My AI chat always sitting at the top of your Snapchat? Today I'll show you how to remove My AI from your chat feed quickly and cleanly. Step 1. Open Chats tab. Open the Snapchat app and go to your Chats tab. Locate the My AI conversation pinned at the top. Step 2. Open Chat Settings, press and hold the My AI chat to reveal more options. Tap Chat and Notification Settings from the menu. Step 3. Unpin the conversation. Select Unpin Conversation to remove it from the top. This will move My AI down from your pinned chats. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Remove from chat feed, press and hold the My AI chat again to open settings. Tap Chat and Notification Settings once more. Step 5. Clear the chat select. Clear from chat feed to remove it completely. Tap Clear to confirm and finalize the removal. And that's it. Now you know how to remove My AI from your Snapchat chat list. Keep your chat feed clean and distraction-free. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Phonie for more smart, step-by-step tech tutorials every day.